tested for, I think you said there were how many?
12.
12. Your ultimate conclusion, as I understand it from your direct testimony, is that there was no significant, there would be no significant likely impact.
Correct. What Mr. Nance predicted from how the project will affect groundwater, the changes will be very small, within a couple of percent. And when that small change gets into the ocean, it's within what we call the envelope of natural variability, meaning the ocean varies depending on surf conditions, rain conditions, all that sort of thing. And so the small changes that he finds based on the project will be within that level of what we find now as being the existing condition.
And Mr. Nance is going to, would likely be able to testify regarding from the shoreline or from the ocean back,
Exactly.
and the impact, if any, in that area.
He will be able to testify on how the condition, the composition, and the amount of the groundwater will be changed based on what he's been told the project will include. Now remember, it's a prediction, it's not there yet, so he's just using his knowledge to I don't want to say guess, but to estimate what the change will be based on many other projects.
But again, his testimony would be confined to the impacts, basically
So we need somebody else.
with respect to the ground, right,
He
before
will
it
not,
hits the ocean.
he will not put a toe in the water in the ocean.
Okay. Ms. McMichael, do you understand what he's indicating in terms of what Dr. Dollar's testimony is about, what he did, and what Mr. Nance is likely to testify about?
But he's sort of speaking on behalf of Nance, and I feel that Nance should be here so I can question him direct without.
Okay, I just want to make sure that you understand. Basically, what I think he's testifying to is that, you know, his opinions are confined to how the water and what's contained in the water are going to impact the ocean.
Correct.
And basically, his direct testimony is it's going to have a very, will likely be undetectable. Okay? Now, as far as Mr. Nance is concerned, and again, I guess we can ask him, assuming that the decision is to have him testify, which hasn't been decided yet. But according to Dr. Dollar, what Mr. Nance would testify about is basically what's contained in the water and what impact it will have on the ground, if you will, the soil, the rock, whatever, before it hits the ocean.
Well, that would be the pesticides that
So, you understand? I just want to make sure you understand, because asking to bring, you know, to call him at this late stage is not a small thing. Okay? We'll discuss this